Hey, you know how heavy carrying water on a hike can get? This tiny straw lets you safely drink from a stream or any water source. If you're hiking near known water sources, you can pack way lighter. When I was researching this pure water straw, one of the coolest things I saw that people were saying was how tiny it is. It's only about 6 inches long, and seriously, it weighs almost nothing. You can just clip it right to your pocket like a pin, or you can toss it in your backpack. It takes up zero space, which is awesome because you don't have to lug around a heavy water bottle on your hike anymore if you're going to be close to water sources. Also, when I look at a product, I like to see if there are any downsides. On this Sierra Madre water straw, I honestly can't find any downside to this product. I think it's perfect. Carry it with you anywhere, not just hiking. It weighs like 2 ounces and it will clean a ton of water. Plus, it's going to last you for years. It doesn't need batteries. Just toss it in your bag. I consider this Sierra Madre water straw a buy. So you literally just use it like a straw. Drop the end in the water. That's the filter end. Suck on it like a straw. And the water in this creek tasted amazing, actually, going through the filter. This is just a creek in my local community. And I'm spitting it out just to show you that I was taking in water, and the water tasted absolutely wonderful. I think the Sierra Madre Pure Water Straw would be great for your EDC kit. Put a straw in each of the glove boxes of your vehicles. This is a great product to have with you anywhere you go.